So if you're having problems with your PlayStation 4 not turning on, obviously this PlayStation 4 is on right now, but it was having those same problems when I was using it probably like 4 days ago. And among the several other problems this PlayStation 4 has that I'm going to be going over, I got this PlayStation 4 from a friend. He couldn't get it to work, or the disc tray to work, and I opened it up, realized that there are tons of other problems, so I'm going to make a whole video series on just fixing this PlayStation 4 if it is possible. I don't know if it will be possible, but I'm going to go ahead and attempt to anyway, and again show you guys again all these how-tos and fixes, because I've never really done a whole series on the PlayStation 4, which is something again I've been planning on doing for a while, and I hope you guys will enjoy this playlist. I know this playlist is going to be very popular, so I'm going to be spending a lot of time editing it, getting it ready for you guys, doing all that good stuff. So be sure to like and subscribe to show your support. Number one, you're going to want to unplug your PlayStation 4 for at least 5 minutes, and that's going to let all of the electricity out of your PlayStation 4 and allow for it to reboot. If that doesn't work, another way to hard reset your PlayStation 4 is to hold down the power button on it for at least 30 seconds. I say a minute, they say 30 seconds. I say a minute just because sometimes, you always want to make sure it's working right. You don't want to waste your time. So hold it down for a minute and then turn the PlayStation 4 back on. Again, you're going to have the PlayStation 4 on when you do this. So have the PlayStation 4 on. Hold the power button for 30 seconds, up from 30 seconds to a minute, and then you're going to want to turn the PlayStation 4 back on in about another minute. So let it sit for a minute after you've held the power button down, and then go ahead and try to reboot. Next, what we're going to want to do for your PlayStation if it is not working properly is go to settings. Make sure that you have the system update. So when you go to settings, the system software update, you're going to want to go ahead and download that, because that's going to be one of the more important things to have on your PlayStation. If you don't have internet, you're not going to be able to do this. So once you do the system software update, you're going to get, of course, the newest updates from Sony, and that will fix some of the bugs that are in your PlayStation and that are in, most PlayStations. That's why they release the updates, to fix bugs. So you're going to want to make sure your PlayStation 4 is always updated. If you don't have internet, take it somewhere with internet. Make sure you update it there, and then bring it back home. These solutions are for people who have their PlayStation on. So what we're going to want to do is switch over to the next view of this video, which is going to be fixing your PlayStation 4 disc tray. So if your PlayStation 4 is not turning on, I'm going to go over a few more solutions that you can go into before you get into these solutions. If your PlayStation 4 is not turning on at all, go ahead and watch these tips, and they will hopefully help you have your PlayStation 4 back up and running in no time.